Hi guys, it's late Monday night. I still don't have a video prepared. It's just been kind of crazy here at the house, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started right now on our video, and hopefully it comes together. It's a DIY natural face exfoliator and a DIY natural face foam wash. But I rarely break out, and I've noticed huge differences. And I know people who have acne who have tried these natural remedies. Are you kidding? So, and then our friends who have like acne have tried these natural remedies and they've seen huge differences. So I don't think it's gonna make anyone break out because it is natural, so don't be scared to just try it. And I would say give it a week to show improvements before you decide if it's for you or not. Anyways, here's the video. Hey guys, okay, so I hope you got a good laugh out of my husband. Okay, so let's jump right into this. So this is my foam wash that I bought at Smith's, and it was $7, I believe. And I've also found them on Amazon, so I'll link it below if you look at the description. And then I got this mason jar at DI for like 25 cents. So just make sure that you, if you're gonna go to DI, that you just wash it super well before you use it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the exfoliator first. So make sure that it's a glass jar, just because again the essential oils just do better with glass. So I've got coconut oil, I've got my baking soda, and I've got like a half cup, a teaspoon, and then here are my essential oils I use for the exfoliator. It's geranium, sandalwood, and frankincense. And just so you know, frank is like the best thing you can put on your skin. It's pretty expensive, but it is like it's like a magic oil because it just does everything. Like there's a saying, when in doubt, use frankincense, just because it is so universal. So anyway, so I'm throwing that in my exfoliator. So I'm gonna start with half a cup of coconut oil. And then we're going to do half a cup of baking soda, and this is up to your preference. If you'd prefer it a little bit more oily and not so textured, you could up the half a cup of coconut oil to like 3/4 or a cup. And if you want more texture on your face, then you can up the baking soda. But this is just how I prefer it, is just half and half. And then all I'm doing here is just mixing it really well before I add the essential oils. So just whip it to your liking. So now I'm adding 15 drops of sandalwood, 5 drops of geranium, and then 15 drops of frankincense. Then just mix it together one more time and you are done. All right, so we're gonna move on to our face foam wash now. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using in the face foam wash is witch hazel. And so I've just got the original unscented version. There's a couple of different types you can get, but I'm just going to be doing a cup of witch hazel. And then I'm going to be doing half a cup of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. This is my favorite brand to buy. I've got hand soaps by them. I've got bar of soaps that I used in my laundry detergent video, if you want to check that out. So anyways, so this is my favorite brand. So yeah, half a cup. And then lastly, I'm going to do vitamin E oil. And I just got this from Good Earth. It's a little bit more pricey. It's around $10 to $20 as well. But you can just kind of buy it on the cheaper side if you want to do that through Amazon. Okay, I just wanted to explain real quick what vitamin E oil is and why it's in my recipe. So the Castile soap is very hard on your hands when you use it. It's not soft and smooth. So that vitamin E oil is basically there to make the soap feel that way on your face. So if you don't want to spend the money on vitamin E oil, or you don't have it on hand, you could look into using a coconut oil, olive oil, a sunflower seed oil, just whatever you have on hand should work. And then once you get to this point and you've got a little bit of wiggle room in your jar, I just like to top it off with some distilled water. So measurements don't need to be that perfect on this part. It looks like I'm just under half a cup. And so that just brings it all the way up to the top. And now we're gonna put in our oils. So I've got a ton of oils here. I've got Roman chamomile, copaiba, lavender, eucalyptus, ylang, and jasmine. So I did, sorry, my baby's crying. I did, let's see, 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of copaiba, 10 drops of Roman chamomile, 10 drops of ylang, and then I did 5 drops of jasmine because it's so much stronger of a smell, and 5 drops of eucalyptus. And then I'm just using a spoon to mix this around to get all the oils throughout the face wash. And then I'm gonna put the lid on and then just shake it lightly to help create that foam. And then I like to do my exfoliator first because it's oil, so it's more greasy, and then using the face foam wash after cuts down on that grease. Anyways, thanks for watching.